What's good, guys? It's Seth with SN22. So Enjin has broken about $4, just like I said in my previous video. Back when Enjin was trading at $2, so that is a 100% pump since then. But now that Enjin is about $4, I'm back with another update. Let's look at my short-term, medium-term, and end of bull run price targets for Enjin. As usual, since the market is ruled by short-term emotions, let's quickly look at the fear and greed index. The index is currently sitting at 42, showing there's still fear in the market. But like I always say, this is part of the regular market cycle, right? Where we go from fear to greed, fear to greed. We are currently fearful from people panicking over a possible Bitcoin dump due to the Mt. Gox situation, and also the end of the month options expiration. So keep this in mind. If Bitcoin dumps, then expect Enjin to dump as well. Now let's look at Enjin from the lower time frame to the higher time frame. Starting with the forward chart, we see that Enjin is at the moment trading at about $4.45, and the price recently broke out of this cup and handle pattern. So this is the cup over here, and that is the handle over there. And this pattern is usually a continuation pattern, right? And at the moment, we see that the price is trading above the pattern, right? Confirming that we are following that pattern. My price target for this pattern is sitting at about $7, in between $6, $6.50 and $7. And this price target is also very close to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. So $7 is my short-term price target for Enjin, and I expect us to hit that within a week or two, right? That is if Bitcoin doesn't dump. If Bitcoin dumps, then it will take us a little bit longer to hit that price target. Definitely, right? But now let's look at some indicators. Let's look at the RSI. The RSI shows Enjin is gaining strength as we are forming higher lows at the moment, right? And we have not yet broken this upward trend on the RSI. So things are looking bullish for sure in the shorter time frame. The RSI is currently sitting at 75, showing it is overbought. And we usually get a reversal. Normally in the forward chart, we usually get a reversal when we hit 80. And we have already hit 80. So it is healthy that we get a retracement, a pullback back down to this trend line over here. Or even better yet, a retracement back to the midpoint or the 50 point on the RSI, right? That will be a healthy retracement in the 4-hour time frame for Enjin, right? So a pullback will be, we'll see some pullback in the shorter time frame or in the immediate time frame, and then we'll push higher. Let's look at the MACD. The MACD over here, we have the MACD line, the blue line above the signal line, the orange line, right? So things are looking bullish. The moment it is confirming the strength in the RSI and is showing high momentum for Enjin, right? Let's look at the squeeze momentum. The squeeze momentum is also printing solid green bars and is confirming the gaining momentum in the MACD, right? So things are looking bullish for sure in the shorter time frame, but like I said, a healthy pullback before we push higher. Now from the daily chart, the cup and handle pattern is still the most notable pattern on the chart, right? So I will not waste your time with any new analysis over here. My medium-term price target for Enjin is sitting at the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level, right? Or about $11, right? That'll be my medium-term price target after we break above $7. Now from the weekly chart, it is easier to see the cup and handle pattern, right? But this is not the only time we've seen this cup and handle pattern. Back in 2019, 2020, let me switch to the logarithmic. And back in 2019, 2020 over here, we see a similar cup and handle pattern, right? And after we broke out of this cup and handle pattern, the price pushed up a massive 1,500%. I am not saying we will see another 1,500% in our current situation, because at the moment we have a higher market cap, right? The market cap for Enjin at the moment is, I think, 3 billion. So it would definitely make a difference. So maybe a 300% from here will not be that bad. It's much more likely we'll see a 300% than a 1,500% pump this time. But let's look at some indicators. Let's look at the RSI. The RSI in the weekly is currently sitting at 75.76. And we have not yet broken this trend on the RSI, right? So things are still looking bullish for Enjin. We usually get the bigger reversals when the RSI gets above 85, right? Last time we had the big reversals was when the RSI hit 95, and 85 in this situation over here, and 85 in that situation over there, right? So I would say we have a little bit more room for Enjin to run. Let's look at the MACD. So from the MACD, we see that Enjin is not yet showing signs of slowing down just yet, right? The MACD is still bullish. The MACD line is above the signal line, and it looks like we could print more green candles over here, right? So things are looking very bullish for Enjin. Let's go to the squeeze momentum. The same thing, the squeeze momentum is also not showing signs of a slowdown just yet, right? We have solid green bars over here, so things are looking bullish for Enjin. Definitely, we should continue the uptrend a little bit longer. Now, for my end of bull run price target for Enjin, I believe Enjin still has more room to run. Using the logarithmic regression curves and the Fibonacci extension levels, I have my price target for Enjin at the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level, or at $11, right? That would be my price target for the end of the bull run. But we could definitely see higher prices than that if Bitcoin gets an extended bull run, right? Then we could probably even get Enjin topping off at about $18, right? So that would be my price target if we get an extended bull run. Now make sure to help our brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. My name is Seth and I make crypto content that makes you more money. So if making more money with cryptos is something you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And let me know what other coin you would like for me to cover in the comment section.